My video is dedicated to help you get rid of the browser notifications and scary pop-ups that come from the site Skizzle.click. Some people may see these scary pop-ups from this Skizzle.click website. On one hand, these pop-ups try to make people scared about the condition of their computers. These pop-ups display pretty frustrating messages mentioning that your security subscription has expired, and they also try to make you click on allow button to make you subscribed to the web push notifications by this website Skizzle.click. It's a mistake to click on allow, and if you have done that mistake needs to be fixed. Later on I'll show you how to fix it, but speaking about these pop-ups by Skizzle.click, they are absolutely fake. They are not related to any decent security software. They try to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. So please be careful. Don't trust these Skizzle.click pop-ups. Don't install anything that they ever suggest. There may be the mass of such pop-ups attacking your computer from time to time. Believe me, that is very annoying to permanently see these pop-ups attacking your screen. So, if this is what is happening with your computer right now, and if this Skizzle.click is not just one pop-up, but there are many others pop-ups like that, you should definitely do something to fix your browser. First of all, access the menu of your browser. Access the menu, go to Settings. In the left area, choose Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings. Then scroll down to Permissions and choose Notifications. At this point, you need to research the websites that are allowed to send notifications. And when you find this Skizzle.click, you need to click on this button and remove this junk site from the list. By the way, you may also find some other junk sites that are causing such pop-ups. All of them need to be deleted. After you have done that, the problem should be fixed as far as these notifications are concerned. However, it could be that your system is also burdened by some hidden adware or malware. We recommend you to scan your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. It will help you to detect and delete all such other hidden threats from your system. Go to the official website combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the program, and begin carefully researching and investigating your computer to detect and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.